To my channel, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be greasing my scalp. My scalp has been itching. It's been itching. So I'm going to, because you know when you have braids and it starts to itch, it starts to give you the most ridiculous itching sensation. And it's been about 3 weeks since I've had these butterfly crochet installed. Just coming on 3 weeks. I think this is Wednesday, so it's coming on 3 weeks on Friday because I got it done on November 19th. So, and it's getting old, but I kind of like it like this. I like it when it's old. And so now you can do more things with it, but it, you know, you get the itching, you know, the itchy scratchy show starts. You know, when that starts happening, your hair, that means your hair is dry. That means my scalp is dry and I need to moisturize it, get some kind of moisture in there. You know, when it's fresh, regardless of what, when it's fresh, you just, you know, your neck be like, hey girl, how you doing? So yeah, we had that situation, you know, going on. So there's not much you can do to it. But now when it's like loose like this, it almost looks like it could be your own hair. I guess it could be my own hair. No, I'm just kidding. No, it can't be my own hair. My hair is not this thick. So, what I do is I use, you could use anything. I use this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla. This is what I had on deck. I was like, oh my God, I gotta find something I could use every day. I don't want to just use water, to moisturize my scalp. But you could just use water or whatever. But you know, oh, it feels so soothing. It's so soothing. So what I do is just, yeah, I just go in. I go inside and I spritz it. And it's easy. It's not bad. It's easy to do because and I could get to it. It's not that bad. The front is, I told her to do single sections, like single braids or whatever. And from, let me see this one. From here is single, like these 2 rows is single, and then the rest is crochet back. That's why I took an hour and a half. So after I spritz with that, like I said, you could use water, whatever. Then apply some oil with that inside, and any kind of oil, I guess, that you have is fine. So, and I don't usually oil my scalp. That's another thing. I don't usually oil my scalp. Like when my hair is out, its natural form, I don't usually oil that much. It's just because I know I have to keep it moisturized because it's locked away. It's in this protective style, so I have to keep it moisturized. Yeah, so it gets a little, where's my scissors? Really? Where's my scissors? Give me a second. I can't run myself. Okay, so like I was saying, I oil my scalp and then I just go in and give myself the most wonderful, relaxing, most needed massage ever. Now, another route you can go that a lot of people use to keep their scalp, I guess, cleansed or keep that itching at bay is to use apple cider vinegar. The only time I use apple cider vinegar is when I'm cleansing my hair in the shower and it's going to be washed out. Yeah, because my sons tell me every time I use the apple cider vinegar, they tell me it stinks and it smells like feet. So no, And after that, that's it. That's it. You just massage as much as you want. You want to do it for 15 minutes. You want to do it for an hour, whatever you want. You got that kind of time. Go right ahead. And then also what I do is, at this stage, it does get a little frizzy. You can see it, like, it gets a little frizzy. So I'll just take the scissors and cut it. But I don't mind the frizziness as long as it doesn't look too, not too bad, because that's when it's, the frizziness is okay, but you don't want this. Like, who's going to look? No, we don't want that. That's ridiculous. We don't want that. So cut it off, and that's it. Oh, another thing. I kind of changed the look to this hair a little bit, because this is not how the ends originally looks. This is not how the ends looks. I cut all the ends because I just, it wasn't working for me. I just didn't like how it looked. I wanted it to be more, I wanted to be, I am changing up the people them thing. I changed up the people them thing. Yes, I did. I changed up the people them hair. But I just did not like the ends. Like I said, it was more, yeah, like this. And I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling it, so I cut it. So that's it, guys. That's it. It's what I do to refresh this hair. I love it. I loved it in the beginning, but I even love it even more now. So I give it about another week. Next week I think I'll be taking it out, if I can last this long, because it's yeah. If I don't take it out this week, then maybe middle-ish next week I'll probably take it out. So far, I'm loving it. I wish it was my hair. I wish my hair was like this. I've always wanted to do dreads. Maybe one day I will. Not this day, but maybe one day I will. And I would love for my hair to fall like this and to be like this. I wish this was my hair. If this was my hair, that's it. So just do a little up down like this, and what is it? Okay. Like this. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm gonna put that up like that. Get notifications, and that's it. See, it's nice and my scalp. It's nice, and so this is my scalp. You wanna see, moisturized. It's good. It's good. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming by, stopping by. I hope I still have hair left when I take this out. I just hope I still have hair left when I take this out. And that's another reason why I told her to, that's another reason why I told the girl to do single, because my hair would not have been able to, braid all the way back and all that. It's just very, very delicate in the front. So hopefully come back and watch and see if I still have some hair left. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below if let me know what you guys do to maintain your hair, maintain your scalp health. What do you do when you get the itchy scratchy show going on? Turn on your notification so you know when I post another video. I'm going to be posting another video soon. Thank you guys. I'll see you later.